Okay, are you coming in?
Yes.
Don't throw them.
Close the door.
Really?
Really? What is this?
That is huge.
That is huge.
Hey,
What is it?
cute. The dollhouse stuff.
A dollhouse of stuff?
Why is this so
Do you want to read the letter? Do you want
This
to?
is so huge.
Yeah, I know. Let's read the letter. Right here, look.
Cool.
Right there. It says, "Dear Miss Brianna, I have one last present for you, and it was too big to deliver to your grandma's house. I hope you enjoy your dollhouse. I love your Elfie, and I'm glad he is here to help me watch over you. Be a good girl this year. Love, Santa."
I got my elf.
How excited?
Good. My exciting dance.
Your exciting dance? Nice. Okay, well here, you can, I'll take that off.
What about this?
I'll
That's
take
pretty.
that off. Yeah, that is very pretty. It's all yours. Wow, look at all that.
Really? Why is this so huge?
Hey, Brianna, look, watch what it does. Watch. Cool, huh? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. That light, see the light? It turns on right behind. Sorry. See the light behind?
Yeah.
Turn it on. No, right here.
Cool.
Cool,
But
huh?
how does the elevator move?
You just push it up and down.
How? So
Right here.
hard.
Right here. Right here.
Oh.
Ta-da! Make it out. Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.